Okay, Angela, can you lead us a prayer? Amen. So, good morning, class. Okay, good morning. You may now be seated. So, before we proceed to our discussion today, I'm going to check your attendance, and if I call your name, say present. Okay, very good. Angela, Christine, Angelica, Sarah, Lisavilla, Giancarlo, Jandrio, Rizal. Okay, very good. Present kayong lahat. So today, we proceed to our discussion. And our topic for today is all about the variance of a random variable. Okay, Angela, do you have any idea what is a variance of a random variable? Okay, very good. Thank you for your wonderful answer. But before we proceed to our discussion today, I'm going to introduce first our learning objective. Okay, Christina, can you read the first objective? Okay, very good. Disabilia, can you read the second objective? Okay, very good. And the number 3 objective is to manifest the value of patience, perseverance, and responsibility in doing one's work. So again, our topic for today is all about the variance of a random variable. Okay, very good. And the variance of a random variable is x. Variable x is expected square deviation from the mean. So, ibig sabihin, yung variance of a random variable, or in getting the variance of a random variable, it is unexpected square deviations from the mean. So, very, clear. And let x be a discrete random variable with a probability distribution of f of x and mean. So, this is the symbol of mean, and this is the symbol of sample, or the probability distribution. So, the variance of x is, so this is our formula in finding the mean. Before we find the variance of a random variable, let us first find the mean. So, hindi natin makukuha yung variance kapag hindi natin makukuha muna yung mean. So, ito yung formula kung paano kunin si mean, which is the expected value of x minus mean squared is equals to summation of x minus mean squared multiplied by f of x. We have here a theorem, or we have here a formula in how to find the variance of a random variable. So, after natin makuha si mean, pwede na natin makuha yung variance. But, meron pa tayong dapat pagdaanan bago natin makuha yung variance of a random variable. Depende sa problem. So, yung formula ni variance is equals to expected value of x squared minus mean squared. So, to further understand how to find the variance of a random variable, let us hear an example. Okay, John Trio, can you read the example? Okay, very good. So again, our example is a sample of 3 items is selected at a random from a box containing 20 items of which 4 are defective. So, kailangan natin i-analyze yung problem kung ano yung kukunin natin or ano yung mga way na gagamitin natin para makuha natin talaga yung kung ano yung hinahanap sa problem. So, here, we have here, number of defective items in the sample X can hold 4 values. So, dito, since may 4 defective, so in 20 items daw, mayroon siyang 4 na defective or sira. So, in 20 items, kailangan 3 lang yung ating kukunin yung 3 items. Selected randomly. So, ang ibig sabihin, since may randomly dito, ano yung gagamitin natin? Okay, very good. Combination. So, since may nakalagay dito na random. Which, in other words, in a combination, hindi required yung sequence. Hindi required yung in order. In any order or randomly. So, the expected value of x is, so this is the formula in how to find the expected value of x, or in other words, this is the mean. It's a summation of all x multiplied by f of x. So, the value of our x is 0, 1, 2, and 3. So, in finding the f of x, so kailangan natin makuha muna yung f of x. So, paano natin makukuha yung expected value of x kung hindi natin makukuha yung f of x? So, kailangan natin kunin muna. Since mayroon ng value yung mga x's natin. Diba? Yung value ng x is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, very good. So, f of x, this is our formula using a combination. So, if a value of x is 0, our f of x is 28 over 57. So, paano yun? So, ilagay natin yung defective for combination of 4 taken 0 at a time. And 16, since yung ating items in a box is 20, and naminusan na siya ng 4 defective, so ang bili na lang is 16. Taken 3 minus x. Since yung 3, ito yung ating iselect, kailangan iselect sa box. 3. And then, over 20, taken 3 at a time. Since 3 yung ating items na kukunin, so sa box, mayroon siyang 20 items. So, dapat, in a 20 items, 3 yung ating pipiliin. Kailangan nating ma-select. So, ang answer dito is 560 over 1,140, and i-reduce natin siya into lowest term using a calculator. So, ang answer is 28 over 57. Or dito, 28 over 57. So, if a value of f of 1, if x is 1, the value of f of x is 8 over 19. The same the process diri Kailangan lang nato ilisan. Kailangan lang natin palitan yung value ng mga x's. Kung ano yung nakalagay dito, kung anong ang x is 2, so papalitan natin. Then, isolve natin using a calculator para mas madali. Kaya, nire-require ko kayo na magdala ng calculator or scientific calculator kasi magagamit natin yan sa ating discussion. So, the same, if the value of x is 2 and the value of f of x is 8 over 95, and the value of f of x is and the value of f of x is 3, and the value of x is 3, and the value of f of 3 is 1 over 285. So, after natin makuha si f of x, dito na natin i-apply yung formula ni expected value of x, which is the summation of all x multiplied by f of x. Dito sa baba, makikita natin. So, yung value ni, diba dito, kapag ang value ng x is 0, ang value ng f of x is 28 over 57. Kapag 1 naman, ang value ni f of x is 8 over 19. Kapag 2 naman, ang value ni f of x is 8 over 95. Kapag 3 naman, ang value ni f of x is 1 over 285. And then, i-multiply natin siya. Una natin gagamitin yung multiplication since we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. Okay, Disabilia, what is the PEMDAS? Okay, very good. So, since nauna yung multiplication, kailangan natin mag-multiply muna bago i-add natin lahat. So, ang sagot dito, 0 times 28 over 57 equals 0, plus 1 times 8 over 19 equals 8 over 19, 2 times 8 over 95 equals 16 over 95, plus 3 multiplied by 1 over 285 equals 3 over 285, and we add all this and reduce this into lowest term. The answer is 3 over 5. So this is our mean. Okay, let's proceed this. Since in finding the variance of a random variable x is kailangan natin makuha yung expected value of x squared. So, hindi natin makukuha yung variance of a random variable kapag si expected value of x lang yung ating kukunin. So, kailangan kunin muna natin si expected value of x squared. So, dito makikita natin kung paano siya kinuha. Expected value of x equals summation of x squared times f of x. So, yung mga value ni x, kailangan meron na siya square root. So, makikita natin dito yung 0, may square root na siya. Yung 1, may square root na rin. Yung 2, mayroon. At saka yung 3. So, again, using the PEMDAS rule, kailangan natin i-simplify muna yung mayroong exponent bago natin siya i-multiply and bago natin siya i-gamitan na addition. Okay. So, 0 squared, answer is 0 and multiplied by 28 over 57 equals 0. 1 squared multiplied by 8 over 19, answer is 8 over 19. Same with 2 squared multiplied by 8 over 95, 32 over 95, and then 3 squared times 1 over 285 equals 3 over 285. So, i-add natin siya lahat and reduce natin siya into lowest term. The answer is 15 over 19. Okay, from the derived formula of a variance, we have, so dito na natin kukunin si variance. Since meron na tayong value ni expected value of x squared at meron na din tayong mean. So, yung mean natin, ito yung 3 over 5. So, kailangan natin mag-substitute using the formula. The value of expected value of x squared is 15 over 19 minus mean squared. So, kailangan natin lagyan ng square root. Squared yung 3 over 5. So, the answer is 204 over 275. So, ito na yung ating variance. Ang value ng ating variance is 204 over 275. And the standard deviation can be computed as, so, kailangan natin lagyan ng square root yung para makancel si 2. So, lagyan natin siya ng square root at saka yung value ni variance, which is the 204 over 275, kailangan natin lagyan ng square root. Using the calculator, we have here the 0.655. Thus, the standard deviation is 0.655 and the variance is equal to 0.429. So, bakit 0.429 siya? Kasi, i-divide natin yung 204 divided by 207. So, ito yung kanyang sagot. So, ganyan. Yan ang mga paraan kung paano natin kukunin si variance or si mean, variance, and the standard deviation. So, bago natin ma-solve si variance, kailangan muna kunin natin si mean. Pagkatapos sa mean, yung expected value of x squared, and then variance, and then the standard deviation. So, yun lang ating discussion. Since tapos na tayo at may nalalaman na kayo, magkaroon tayo ng activity. Since meron pa tayong 20 minutes left, I want you to answer the activity for only 15 minutes. And after that one, you may pass your paper in front after. And then, so ito yung ating activity. Okay, John Rio, can you read our activity? Okay, very good. So, 30 points to siya. Sasagutan nyo ng 15 minutes. Okay, start na. Tapos na yung 15 minutes. Can you pass all your paper? Okay. As your assignment, I want you to study our discussion today. And for our next meeting, we will have our long quiz. Okay, understood? Okay. Isabella, can you lead a closing prayer? Amen. Goodbye, class. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.